How to create Bitmoji on Snapchat. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without any delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you want to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app Snapchat. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. Once you have got the latest version of the app, simply open the app. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Now click on the gear icon at the top right corner. You will be able to see the option of Bitmoji. Click on it. Well, right now, I have already created my Bitmoji, so there is no any option where it says create a Bitmoji. But for you, if you haven't created one, then tap on create a Bitmoji. After that, you have to select your gender. Once you have selected, tap on save. After that, it will land you on this page. Now you will be able to modify your Bitmoji according to your preference. You can change your hairstyle, hair color, and many more. Not only this, you can also change your body type. You can choose any of the body type that you want to. And once you have selected, tap on save at the top right corner of the screen. After that, your Bitmoji will be created successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create Bitmoji on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.